Meet Natalie Susi. Natalie was a professor of English literature at SDSU until 2010.
I got laid off.
So she decided to start her own company, Bear Mixers.
I created organic, low-calorie cocktail mixers. They came in lemon, pomegranate, and margarita.
The beverage industry is probably the hardest industry to start a company in. Natalie spent 6 years building Bear Mixers. But she woke up one day and realized,
I'm not happy.
so she sold Bear Mixers to a leading health foods company and decided to go back to her passion.
Teaching!
Now Natalie teaches at UC San Diego, where she combines her love of personal development with her experience in entrepreneurship. Her course?
The Pursuit of Happiness!
Now, Natalie's lending her expertise to the Pavlok community. She's going to be teaching the Pursuit of Happiness inside the Pavlok app.
I can't wait to meet you all.
Welcome, Natalie.
Thank you.